In our Sunday basket this week, we are doing the invisible work of planning meals. A few weeks ago was the Back to School Blitz. You can still get that on replay over at organize365.com. And we have a bonus for those of you that have been in the Back to School Blitz. We're sending out also our meal planner. Remember, we are all getting ready, whether you are in the active parenting years or not, for the most productive 10 weeks of the year, which starts on Labor Day and runs all the way until the second week of November. One of the things you want to think through are the meals that you're going to have for yourself, possibly for your family. Maybe you are dealing with food allergies, food sensitivities. Maybe you're making meals for children or for your parents or for friends who are going through unexpected events. We like to use the purple color in the Sunday basket for meal planning. It just has like a little tab, but maybe you're in a season of life where you really want to systematize this and you want to give it a different color. Orange would be the color I would suggest. You can lay out your meals for the month. You can lay out your meals by person, by ingredient, however you want. But this is the week to really deep dive into your meals and meal planning. Oh my gosh, I can't even hold it back anymore. You guys, look at them, the numbers, they are dancing. Oh yes, the Sunday basket has now saved 6 million hours. Can you believe it? 6,032,750 hours. I mean, if there's anything worth doing, it's worth getting your time back. The Sunday basket. That is what the Sunday basket does. It gives you your time. You could do whatever you want. You know what I did? I bought all these numbers and then made them dance. Because this is amazing. Getting your time back for what you are uniquely created to do, the best. It is the best.